split in. Alex and Cara are going to get a good surprise.
Fuck! We have to leave before they come back.
I hope no one heard us.
What were you guys doing?
We were just on our way to check out your room.
Yeah.
Whoa, because I'm pretty sure that wasn't your room. Hey, this is our room. Wait, guys.
We're doing whatever the you want to do.
I'll give you guys 5 seconds to leave.
Or I'm telling Alex and Kat about the snake you left in her room.
Make us!
No way, I'm out.
Turn up!
You got Alex. I warned you about coming on our turf.
Fuck, are we winning?
No, but I'm about to win.
We're finally done with all the upgrades to our PAC and Peanuts room. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So over here, we have a mini basketball hoop. And if I can make the shot, you guys have to subscribe. First try! As you guys can see, we added some dodgeballs here so we can play dodgeball. Ow! Over here, we built a slide so you can slide into the PAC and Peanuts, and a zip line to take you all the way across from one room to the other.
Woo! That was fun!
I can't believe we were able to turn our empty room from that to this. With Green Team's room done, there's only 2 teams still working on their rooms. The yellow team and the blue team.
You make me miss my ass!
Help, Sean!
Come here, Sean. It's nothing personal.
Sean, are you okay?
I can't feel my leg.
Here, let me help you up.
Wait, the PAC and Peanut broke my paw.
Dude, this room is actually insane. It just keeps going. I'm actually jealous. Stop hitting me! Sean, give me one. Give me one, Sean.
Give me them balls.
I help you out. God, help me! Relax, Alan, relax. No, that's how we want. We want. Outside, the yellow team was making one final addition to their water park.
All right, none of our rides have worked so far, but if we could build a really good water slide, we could save this.
I don't know, bro. This one doesn't look too sturdy.
We gotta take a leap of faith.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Get up, we gotta go!
Give me 2 hours.
We don't got 2 hours. Salish gets here in 2 minutes. Wait. It's Salish. I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
We just got done with the finishing touches, and we also have a secret surprise for Salish that will definitely win her over. But we don't have time to show you guys. Because Salish is here! Guys, we gotta go! Jordan and Salish are gonna test every room to decide which room is best. And the winning team will win the grand prize of expanding their room to fill up the entire house. Everyone else's room will be destroyed. Jordan!
Hello, it's really great to be here.
You're good. We'll just step that back over there. Don't look at him. All right, there you go. You stay here. Okay, good to see you. Okay, I'm good.
I didn't know you work out.
Get in here.
Oh my God, you're strong!
Thank you.
Cool, really.
I mean, I have been working out a little. Where's the first room?
All right, why don't we start with the best room? My room. And remember, the winning team will be decided based on how much time Salish spends in each of our rooms. And Jordan will be controlling the stopwatch to make sure nobody cheats. Ta-da! Welcome to our trampoline park. Pretty cool, right?
Cool.
Because we know you love gymnastics, we built a room with trampolines everywhere.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Whoa!
Start.
This is so cool.
How about we do a backflip competition?
Oh, she just did a flip! No way!
I could do that.
I say, can you do 2?
What is
is Alan gonna go first?
By the time she gets to ours, she's gonna be bored.
That's what I'm saying. Whoa!
Yeah, you good?
We also have the foam pit.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's try the phone.
Wait, she landed that?
Look, Dad.
Okay.
All right, Salish, you're a gymnast, right?
Yeah.
So you can jump through this easily.
Yeah. 3,
2, 1, go!
I did it.
That was way too easy.
Yeah, I think I can do it.
Show Salish where she got those gymnastic jeans from.
Yeah,
I gotta be honest, I've
Come
never
on.
done this before, but okay.
Go for it. You got it. You got it.
Oh. Alright, you know what, Dad? Before you break your neck, I'm gonna move on to the next one.
Wait. Actually, I have one more surprise. There's something underneath the foam pit and behind that wall. It's a secret room.
Whoa, guys, look at all of this.
We have slushies, ice cream, drinks, popcorn, candy, donuts.
Oh, you know what they're doing.
They want me to stay home.
No.
Yes,
We want you to
that's-
try the food. What do you mean?
You don't think you got thirsty from all that jumping?
No, not really.
You guys can't be serious. Come on, look at all this yummy snacks in here.
What's that?
That's a hot dog.
Oh, did you not know I was vegetarian?
Strike. That's a strike.
This is a vegan hot dog. Come on, guys, don't leave.
You don't like ice cream?
Wait, it's melted? Sean, you were in charge of this. Are you kidding me?
I kind of played it.
It's melted.
Kind of late.
Okay, it looks like we are done.
No. Wait. No. I think
stay,
we're not done yet. We're not done yet.
I'm
Look,
good.
get off.
Taste the rainbow.
Well, I think on that, we're gonna leave.
And time. Good skills though.
How much time was it?
Well, we're gonna find out at the end of the video.
You can't just give us a hint? Was it like...
No, let's
No,
go.
let's go.
Jordan, come on, please.
Next room, bye.
You know what? I think we're gonna continue on to next room.
Keep your eyes closed. All right, guys, welcome to our room where we fill it with your favorite animal, snakes.
No! Absolutely not!
What the hell? I thought you said Salish loves snakes.
She does. She has them in all of videos. Look.
This is Salish, and it doesn't even look like her.
So what has to happen? What are we supposed to do?
Dang it.
There's no way I'm touching any of those things.
Don't you want to win $1,000 off Alan Alex's money?
All you guys have to do is grab the briefcase on the other side of the room and bring it back without falling into the snakes.
Okay.
All right, go for it. Okay. Whoa. Oh, that's right there.
Should I step on this?
No, they got it. Easy.
This is scary, bro.
I don't think it's going too well in there.
I just don't want to fall. Whoa! Don't fall. Okay, let's just chill.
Keep going, Dad.
This is way too easy for Salish.
That was easy.
Oh, she did.
Go.
All right, go ahead. Okay.
Wait, fuck, she's finishing this way too fast.
Come on, bro.
Jordan is pretty slow though.
Yeah, no kidding. Okay, get me out of here. Why do you think that my daughter would like snakes?
I don't know. I thought she likes them.
Who would like snakes? She's a 15-year-old girl.
Everyone likes snakes, no?
No! Nobody likes snakes.
Things are not looking good for the red team, but maybe Alex and Kat will have better luck with their packing peanuts room.
Timer starts now.
Alright.
All right, here we go. Oh,
This is so cool. So cool.
wait.
Welcome to...
Are you okay? Some stairs there.
Here, let me help you up. Jordan!
Thank
Here, you good? You good? Yeah, here, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, here, I got you. All right, welcome to the best room, our packing peanuts room.
This is so cool.
There's over 100 million packing peanuts here.
100
100 million. I don't get it. So his room just, what, it's just a bunch of peanuts?
Yeah, is that it?
You have a zip line. You can zip line all the way across from there to here.
Oh, I'm so doing that.
But Alex realized a cheat code to keep Salish in his and Kat's room a little longer.
Salish, notice how slow he's going. He's stalling. I'm gonna pause the time, Alex, if you don't get that zip line here. I know what you're doing. Oh, see, he's stalling. I swear I'm gonna pause it. Get it to her in 5 seconds or I'm pausing it. Pause! This is pause. I don't count anymore. I know what he's doing. Cool room, but he's trying to stall. Oh, all right, now let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Actually, you can go all the way.
That was so fun.
You can go all the way. You want to do it again? No? Okay. Next thing.
All right, hey,